All right, heading to Hogtown Bayou. I haven't fished there in probably about 7 months. Got good weather, got a super strong south wind, but the side of Hogtown that I'm fishing, I'll be sheltered from the wind. So hopefully it'll be a productive night. It's sunny, windy, and the bite ought to be on. So hopefully we'll get into some redfish and trout. I'll see you on the water. All right, we got the little wake bait, gold wake bait trolling behind us, and start throwing a small little swim bait. See what's going on. Start out. All right, just had a bite. Maybe there's some lurking over there in the shadows. All right, see some fish busting over there. Straight ahead. Could be just mullet jumping out, but I thought I saw some birds too, so at least it's some signs of life. If it's reds chasing mullet though, I could easily throw this white swim bait in there and hook up, so let's hope that's what it is. All right, let's see if these wind-blown banks over here are holding any fish. Oh yeah, I got some. Oh man, that's a good one. Oh, jeez. Oh boy, that's big. That's my biggest trout ever. Let me get him. If I can get him in. Holy cow. Just let him wear out. Oh yeah. Oh, but I wonder if I got a measuring stick in here. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. Bringing my rulers in here. Oh, I took it out. Oh, I got one on the side here. Let's see. He is from there. Goes right here. All right. Let him go. Nice.